Naghahanap ka ba ng comfy at affordable na hotel dito sa El Nido? Yes na yes for you mga bestie, meron ako sa inyong i-recommend. Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of Hashtag Josh Aragon Recommends. Dito lang yan sa aking mga social media accounts at make sure naka-follow kayo. In this video mga bestie, isi-share ko sa inyo yung discover ko at pinagstayan namin sa El Nido Town, which is sa town lang talaga mismo, at mga bestie, 5-minute walk lang sa kanilang port, which is dun yung starting point ng kanilang mga tours, diba? Introducing guys itong Amacan Hotel El Nido, located at Amboy Street, El Nido Town, Palawan. Amacan is a cozy Filipino accommodation found right in the heart of El Nido Town. Your home away from home, where they provide little comforts for their guests. Alam nyo ba, isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa Amacan is that napakaganda na kanilang interior at magbibigay talaga sila sa inyo ng homey feeling na vibe. Dito sa Amacan mga bestie, ang nabook ko is a standard room. Good for 1 pack siya mga bestie for as low as 1,800 pesos. But if you're going to add an additional 1 packs, meron silang charge na 500 pesos per night. Napaka-comfy ng mga rooms nila dito mga bestie and complete amenities. Hindi ka nahanap sa iba. And also, I love the hospitality of their staff, as in ibibigay nila sa inyo yung service na hinahanap ninyo. Now, if you're going to ask me if this is a recommended hotel in El Nido, Palawan, yes na yes for you mga bestie. This is your sign to book this Amacan Hotel if you're going to El Nido, Palawan this year 2025. So that's it mga bestie for my hashtag Josh Aragon Recommends. If you want more travel tips and videos, kindly follow me on all my social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!